Okay. These were all printed on the Prusa i3 MK3. They're exactly the same. They're my 30 seconds of effort in making a maker coin. I wrapped text around the edge of a circle. I punched microfine holes in the top just to see what it could do. And then I left an unsupported hole in the center. And then I left the bottom 1 layer height. And I just wanted to see how low can you go and how low should you go. These were printed at 205 degrees C, 55 bed temperature, using Prusa Control, standard defaults, generic PLA, purchased off Amazon. So let's start with, this one is at 0.2. Text is fairly clean all the way around. Looks pretty good. No stringing. A little bit of something right there. I think I need another PEI sheet. Same one, same settings. This one's printed at 0.15. Again, no stringing. Looks pretty good. There's the hole. Notice both of these have a circle drawn here. That's actually not a circle. You're seeing the 0.1. So a little bit more stringing. I'm going to top that up to the cheap filament here. But you see, this is the first one that's starting to show that that circle around the top isn't actually a circle. It's an array of tiny little holes. Now let's go down to the 0.6 and so you can finally see those tiny little holes. Alright, a lot of stringing on the inside, but I think that's this cheap filament. I also think I might have a nozzle clog going on because it looks like it's under extruding a little bit on the top layer. I'll have to take a look at that. Alright, there you go.